One of the key environmental concerns of most civil construction sites is dust control. Exposed soils can easily be picked up in the wind and migrate to surrounding areas. There are two primary types of control, which can be implemented to avoid dust migration. 1. Prevent the dust from arising in the first place, using advanced dust lock. Dust lock is a long-term wetting agent, which bonds fine particles together to prevent the formation of airborne dust. Another control is to install dust fence, to minimize the impact of airborne particles migrating. As dust particles being moved by wind usually remain close to the ground, dust fence can dramatically reduce its migration. Call us today to find out more about dust control and other environmental protection installations.